Dear student, good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss the topic optical fiber. As we all know, optical fiber has the three part. Main part is the core, cladding and jacket. Core is made by silica and cladding is made by its own cladding, and the jacket is made by polymers. Here we discuss the fiber can define with the refractive index of the core. According to the fundamental concept of the optical fiber, we know according to their refractive index, we divide the optical fiber into three types. First one is step index multimode optical fiber. As we all know, the core part has discontinuous refractive index at core cladding interface. In core cladding interface, the critical angle is very small when the light signal can travel through the core cladding interface. Dear student, in step index multimode optical fiber, light propagate in different mode, each with different part transit. If the capital D diameter of the core, then it must satisfy D is greater than 0.66 lambda upon Na. Dear student, here Na is the operating wavelength, N is the numerical aperture. The value of numerical aperture under root core mu core square minus mu cladding square. Dear student, total number of the atom in step index multimode optical fiber, capital N is equal to 2 pi a square numerical aperture square lambda square, where lambda is the operating wavelength, Na is the numerical aperture, A is the radius of the core. Dear student, next we are going to discuss step index single mode optical fiber. It is also known as monomode optical fiber. In monomode optical fiber, we have discontinuous refractive index at the core cladding interface. It means their diameter of the core is very small. Then when the diameter of core is very small, it means single light can travel in step index single mode optical fiber. Dear student, in this optical fiber, D is less than 0.766 lambda by Na. Dear student, here Na is the numerical aperture, lambda is the operating wavelength. Dear student, we all know in step index single mode optical fiber there is the no dispersion. Dear student, next we are going to discuss graded index multimode optical fiber. In graded index multimode optical fiber, we know core and cladding interface means their refractive index is decreasing at the surface of core cladding interface. It means in graded index multimode optical fiber, they are parabolic in manner. It means one and more than one light can travel in the graded index multimode optical fiber. Dear student, let us now going to calculate the refractive index mu x, mu 1 bracket 1 minus twice dx by a p whole square, where px is the refractive index at the distance x from the center, and p index profile, its value 0.2 for 1 for 850. T is equal to mu 1 minus mu 2 mu n. Dear student, then total number of atom in graded index multimode note optical fiber capital N is equal to P upon P plus 2 twice pi a square Na square lambda square. Dear student, here we saw the diagram of step index fiber, step index single mode fiber and graded index fiber. As we above discussed, this is the single mode optical fiber, this is the graded index optical fiber, this is the step index optical fiber. Here only one light can travel, more than one light travel, here large number of light wave travel. This is all about the optical fiber. In next turn we discuss dispersion and attenuation in optical fiber. Best of luck.